Alright, so this is graphing a system of inequalities, and to find the lines for each of these, you have to plug in 0 for the y's and x's to determine the points. So, if y equals 0, then x must equal that. So you have to plug in x plus 1 to x is less than or equal to -1, x is equal to -1/2. So x would equal -1/2. And then if x equals 0, then y would equal, let's plug that in again, so y is less than or equal to 2 times 0 plus 1, y would equal 1. Y would equal 1, so your 2 points for that line would be -1/2, 0, and 0, 1. Just for this line. And then you do it again for this line. So, y equals 0, x is equal x plus 0 is equal to 3, x equals 3. Then if, so that x would equal 3. Then if x equals 0, y would equal, so it would be 0 plus y. It's a y. It's less than or equal to 3. Y would equal 3. So your 2 points for this would be 3, 0, and 0, 3. And these two lines are already solved for. They're both horizontal. So next step is to graph both of the points. So it would be -1/2, 0, 0, 1. Draw a line. And then 0, 1, 0. Okay. And then the next line, 3, 0, should be here. 0, 3, 1, 2.
Just go to ESPN right now.
And then you just graph these two lines. So 1, because it's y is equal to 1, just do it horizontally. And by the way, make sure you label all of these lines so you know which line you're dealing with. -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so now we'll label each line. Y is greater than or equal to -4. Y is less than or equal to 1. Y is less than or equal to 2x plus 1. And x plus y is less than or equal to 3. And then next step is to draw arrows based on the inequality in the problem. So for this line, it would be going this way, the shading. And then for this line, it would be going this way. This line will be going up. And then this line will be going this way. And then once you see where they all meet, you highlight that area. It's called the area of feasibility. And then once you highlight that, you need to find the vertices, which are these points. And to find the vertices, you have to convert each of those inequalities into equations. So y is equal to 2x plus 1, x plus y is equal to 3, y equals 1, and y equals negative 4. Once you do that, you have to plug in the values of y that correspond to the vertices you're trying to find. So for this first one, we're going to use this. So 1 is equal to 2x plus 1. 2x equals 0, x equals 0. So this vertex would be 0, 1, 0, 1. So that's the first vertex. Then you do it again. We're going to use this y equals 1 again for x plus y equals 3, x plus 1 is equal to 3, x equals 2. So the vertex is 2, 1, and that is right here. And you find the third vertex, and this time we're going to use y is equal to negative 4. So negative 4 is equal to 2x plus 1. 2x is equal to negative 5. X equals negative 5 halves. So the coordinate would be negative 5 halves, negative 4. And that point is right here. Then the final vertex, we're going to use negative 4 again. So x plus negative 4 is equal to 3. X equals 7. And the coordinate will be 7, negative 4. And that point is right here. So just an overview. First step, plug in 0 for each variable to find coordinates to graph the lines. Once you graph the lines, you label them, and then apply the inequalities so you know where to shade, and then you find the vertices. So that's it.